What do you understand by professional tax? Professional tax is a tax on all kinds of professions, trades, and employment and is levied based on the income of such. Professional tax, presented by options and ideas. What do you understand by professional tax? Professional tax is a tax on all kinds of professions, trades, and employment and is levied based on the income of such profession, trade and employment. It is levied on employees, a person carrying on the business, including freelancers, professionals, etc., subject to income exceeding the monetary threshold if any. However, professional tax though is a kind of tax on income levied by the state government. Not all states in the country chose to levy professional tax. Article 276 of the Constitution, which empowers the state government to levy professional tax, also has provided for a maximum cap of 2,500 rupees, beyond which professional tax cannot be charged to any person. How to apply for professional tax registration, online. Step 1. Visit the online portal of the chosen state government for the registration of professional tax. Step 2. After entering the personal details of the applicant will receive a unique username and password on the registered mobile and email of the applicant. Step 3. The applicant then has to create a self-assessment application and submit it for the purpose of professional tax. Step 4. The requisite documents are then to be uploaded along with the application. Step 5. Usually, if one goes directly to the state government website and not through a third party, no fees is levied for the application for professional tax. Step 6. As soon as the application is submitted, an acknowledgement receipt is created, which is used to file the tax return. A professional tax registration number will also be generated along with the acknowledgement receipt. Step 7. After the registration, the applicant can pay the professional tax either online or through the offline mode of payment. Step 8. After the professional tax payment, the assessors can download the copy of professional tax assessment from respective state government website. Step 9. Following the generation of professional tax assessment, the details of the applicant will be verified by the respective authority. Step 10. On completion of the verification, the authority will either confirm the assessment or revise it. Consequences of non-payment of professional tax. Failure to comply with professional tax registration regulations can result in penalties, fines, and interest charges. The penalties vary based on the specific regulations of each state. Late registration, delayed tax payments, or failure to file returns on time may lead to fines, late fees, or interest. The consequences may include interest charges ranging from 1% to 2% per month, penalties ranging from 10% to 50% of the total amount owed, and additional taxes if false information is provided. Violation of professional tax regulation. The following are the consequences of violating professional tax regulations. Once professional tax legislation becomes applicable, not registering for professional tax may levies penalty in the amount depends on the respective state's legislation. Failing to make payment and file the return within the specified due date may also levies penalty. Note: penalty for late registration of professional tax in Maharashtra Rs. 0.5 per day. Monthly interest rate for late payment is 1.25%. For non-payment or delay of professional tax, penalty of 10% on the tax amount will be levied. For late return submission, a penalty amount charged ranges between 1,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees. Offices in Kolkata that handles the professional tax are given below. 1. North Kolkata. 2. South Kolkata. 3. East Kolkata. 4. West Kolkata. 5. Central. 6. Central Unit I. Documents of employers needed to surrender the professional tax. The documents required for employers to surrender professional tax typically include employee details, salary registers, proof of tax payment, and any other relevant financial documents mandated by local tax authorities. It's advisable to check with your local tax office for specific requirements, as they can vary depending on the jurisdiction. Documents of employees needed to surrender the professional tax. The documents required for surrendering professional tax might vary depending on your location and the specific regulations. Typically, you might need documents such as employer identification, proof of income, tax registration certificates, and any other relevant tax-related documents. It's best to check with your local tax authority or consult a tax professional for precise requirements in your area. Thank you. For any further details, please contact